Welcome to Creator Systems. Ready to turn your video passion into professional success? Facing channel pitfalls? Inconsistent content and strategy can sink you. Plan like a pro. Deep research, scripting, and scheduling magic. Maximize your gear. Enjoy affordable tools today. Plan upgrades tomorrow. Capture stunning dynamic shots using the rule of thirds effectively. Edit with flair, perfectly paced cuts, blend transitions, and enhance visuals. Elevate your sound quality. Crisp audio captivates, retains viewers swiftly. Stand out boldly with compelling thumbnails and irresistibly catchy titles. Boost growth using smart strategies. Upload consistently and actively engage. Data and key metrics fuel your channel's evolution and resilience. Begin your professional journey today using every valuable available resource. From passion to production, evolve confidently with expert insider techniques. Our channels now offer step-by-step expert tips and live Q&As. Join our vibrant creative community now to inspire and grow together. Subscribe for weekly creator tips and start building your YouTube brand today with Creator Systems.